Welcome back to JIC's Hints and Tips. I am Teacher Gia and I'm an IELTS teacher. And today I will be talking about 3 common mistakes students make in listening. First common mistake is spelling. So a lot of my students can actually locate correct answers, but they get a lot of low scores because of incorrect spelling. So what I can advise here is that you have to build up your vocabulary by reading a lot of books. Number 2 is paraphrasing. I tell my students that they will not hear the exact words that are written on our test, so I advise them to know the synonyms of their vocabularies. And most of my students forget to put an article or a simple S for plural form. So guys, don't forget to complete your answers. So this is JIC's Hints and Tips, and this is Gia, and I'll see you next time.